Oh wait, is this the right one?
I am. I'm looking that way. Wow, look at that, honey. Whoa. Going downhill. Welcome back to the car. We just used the bathroom over there. And we're gonna go drive back over there. It's a nicer spot. What are we gonna make?
Hot dogs.
Hot dogs, hot dogs. That would be bad. I think. Making some hot dogs. Little setup going. Her seat reclines. We got a view. Get these Hawaiian rolls. Cupid mayoed up this real quick.
Just like purely or not.
And a view. There you go, boss. Just put it on the side. Just put it on top, wherever.
A little bit more?
Here we go. Nah, good.
There's more. I'm not gonna eat all of that. Hold them down.
Okay, good. I'm good. It is a fat hot dog. Oh, it's getting messy. Oh, but it's fire. Good call on the Cupid mayo. It's pretty good. Yeah. I think it's Chick-fil-A for the ketchup.
I was just about to say, where'd you get that from?
Then I finished 2 glizzies before you finished 1. Double force.
Boys.
Double tense.
Jacks.
Double deuce.
Go ahead.
Double deuce.
What the
3.
frick?
I had all 4 deuces.
That's how you knew you were gonna win, huh?
Hey, you dealt it.
That's why.
Forward, backwards. Oh, I guess you can go up there too. Come on, honey. Two ships off in the distance. Sun is going down. I give it about 25 minutes.